Nouns are classified into two types, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. For example, we say color pencils, apples, balls, tigers, roses. All these nouns have a singular form and also a plural form. That's why we call them countable nouns. We use these words with countable nouns. We use the indefinite article a and number one. For example, we say I've got a brother or I've got one brother. We can also use numbers like 2, 4, 6. For instance, people walk on 2 legs, but dogs walk on 4 legs. A few, which means some. I went out with a few friends. I went out with some friends. A lot of or lots of is used before countable nouns. For example, we say she's won a lot of competitions or lots of competitions, which means she's won many competitions or a large number of competitions. Many is used before countable nouns. For example, we say I don't read many books. No is used before countable nouns. My family has no pets. Some. There are some birds in that tree. The definite article the is used before countable nouns to specify them. For example, we say the mountains are really high. Any is used in a sentence like this. Have you got any CDs with you? How many is a question word which is used to ask questions about numbers. How many students are in your class? I'm asking about the number of students present in your class. Uncountable nouns do not have a plural form and are not used with a or an. For example, we say, when I'm thirsty, I drink water. The internet is the best place to find all kinds of information. The nouns water and information do not have a plural form. That's why we call them uncountable nouns. In this picture, there are a few uncountable nouns. Try to find them out. Okay, milk, for example, honey, coffee. Liquids in general don't have plural forms and are uncountable. Bread, cake, cheese, butter, food. All these words or nouns are uncountable. They don't have plural forms. We use these words with uncountable nouns. A little, a lot of, or lots of. He's got a lot of or lots of money. A lot of and lots of are used in informal English or in informal situations. Any. Have you got any paper? I'm not specifying any sort of paper that I want you to give me. How much is used for quantity. How much tea have we got left? I'm asking about the quantity of tea we have got left. There is no milk in the bottle. Be careful not to use double negative here. So we don't say there isn't no milk in the bottle. This is not considered as a good grammar. Much, there isn't much food in the fridge. Some, I'd like some advice about university courses. And the definite article the is also used with countable nouns and uncountable nouns, like in this sentence, the homework last night was really easy. Homework is an uncountable noun. Much and many are usually used in questions and negative sentences. For example, in this question, how many books are there? The answer is, there are many books. How much sugar is there? Or, there isn't much sugar left. There isn't much traffic today. A lot of or lots of are usually used in affirmative sentences. He received lots of presents, and a lot of people are coming to the meeting. The noun presents is countable noun. However, the noun people is uncountable. But still, we are using lots of for both. Nouns which can be countable and uncountable. So some nouns have two meanings, a countable meaning and an uncountable meaning. For example, the word or the nouns lamb, chicken, turkey, duck, when we refer to them as meat or a type of meat, then they are uncountable. I like lamb, I like chicken, I like turkey, I like duck. I mean the meat. But when they refer to animals, then they become countable. For example, on his farm, he's got lambs, chickens, turkeys, and ducks. I'm referring to the animals and not to the meat. Here are other nouns that can be countable and uncountable, and they have different meanings when they are countable and when they are uncountable. For example, the word coffee and tea. I love the taste of coffee. I love the taste of tea. When we are referring to these nouns in general as drinks, then they become uncountable. When I want to specify these nouns, for example, can I have 2 coffees, please? Can I have 2 teas, please? So here I mean cups of coffee or cups of tea. Some nouns have 2 meanings. Again, for example, the word cake. Cake is not good for you. Here I'm talking about cake in general. Would you like a cake? I mean, an individual cake or a portion of it.